I'm so happy now, guys. You hope you enjoy videos, so make sure you subscribe for more. I 1,000 this week now. For big comeback now, you know. You know the way we use. It's a Debo.
Ya te bunguet. Bambas ni roti.
Gì đâu này
Lên. Tayo.
ile kakobun
Ui.
ile kichurugei huko
Kurgerwat nukul. Ikur kouto kole kou yukibo Maria kikirwat. Ngaker Maria sait ake arorieni. Kikirwat kiasop.
kigelia
Tikikolen kang'ung kachuchun akobuspus ni. Komakerwaen. Kiba kikoi.
kikatit
Lokobar.
lakini utabakirekyi nemet kikulu
Akamatokirek. Kakisweta.
arbengi lakatit lakini mbambas
Imeng'in kende.
kama kwendi siseta
Oi, ni kadogo. Yeche suseni. Oi Mungu.
oh rasita
Wo.
ko supoyete
Wasip kong'ela.
agenat
Kere batayu. Yukimu.
kio nó còn một cảnh ăn nhẹ rồi ăn này
Yes.
đây
Huni keimusa subui.
cái đấy
Alia.
chứ
Huni keimusa.
mà sao đó lên mà sao
Eh.
Ara metu ni matri nchi sume.
Chai, nai baro.
I know what your love is seem to move on. You where you are together will ring. In a vibe coming from away. I'm so learned to go for less. For best in my life to make it. I will love you. Oh, oh, one way. Whap! What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome again our YouTube channel. I'm BaCk. Welcome again. Welcome again our YouTube channel. So yes guys, what's up guys, our YouTube channel, welcome again. Make sure you subscribe and then support BaCk from the way you are. It's another day to miss you guys. So when you say, oh BaCk, I can't post a video, so I have more problems. Some days past, so now problems are always, so if you are alive, always problem in your life, problem is coming now, so thank God for everything, because I helping my wife from labor. So imagine I don't have any bob. So I thank God for everything. Go will, yeah. So now I have a second born, Aaliyah. Yes. So guys, thank you for all you support me for every step to finish. So mostly I thank so much my brother official Evala, because it's time to me for bad situations. Used to help me, because my motorbike is on garage. Yeah, so no money, but thank God for everything happen. Everything happen is a reason. Is a reason. Yeah, but I thank God for everything happened to me, and then I'm still alive. So is a thanks so much. I know some people support me the way I am. You support me the way I am. Yeah, the way you are, the way I am. You send to me bad stations, but now I'm back now. I will post video every day. Yes, I know I don't have a motorbike to buy bundle, but I will try my best to make my subscriber fans for enjoying the video. So one-on-one to deliver now. One-on-one to deliver to shower. Yes, welcome all to go, but now I'm alone. No one is earlier. No one is earlier. But let me try to get cameraman. To get cameraman for take me shower on shower, yes guys. So don't worry. For good videos coming. Don't worry. It's time to me to supporting BaCk to grow. I need subscriber 1,000. 1,000 subscriber. I need more thousand subscriber. So make sure you support and then you watch my full videos. I will enjoy, man. Yep. So this is the liver, guys. So I want to take shower. Yeah, but as you know, I'm alone now, but no cameraman. But I want to shower. Yes. So for the second time, you enjoy video. This ah, baby, no. Oh, Mary. It's a donkey, guys. It's a donkey. Donkey. Ah. So you want to shower, guys? Welcome to shower on my liver. Cho. 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 Ah. You know the way where you hold. It's a debo. It's a deep, guys. It's a debo. Guys. So guys, make sure you support, follow my page, subscribe. I will enjoy now. So guys, now I'm so happy now, guys. You hope you enjoy videos, so make sure you subscribe for more. I 1,000 this week now for big comeback now, you know, for big comeback. Dedication from Baba Aaliyah. Aaliyah now. Aaliyah. It's Aaliyah. Aaliyah. Yes. So big up guys. Welcome. Wish all the day. I'll finish now. So when you come the first you watch my video, make sure you subscribe to support BaBk from Africa. Kenya is Africa, the beautiful Africa from Villa. You know, I'm from village, guys. So really love it. That's why I posting now. I know I have more situation, bad situation, but I'm trying. I try my best to make you happy because you are a big fan, you know, you supporting me, you subscribe and then you watch my video. So really I appreciate it, guys. Make sure make sure guys you know my background now, you know, because when I left internet, you know, you get my whole, you get my details, you know, from Africa, from home, you know. So I have two links now, my PayPal account and then Patreon, you know, you can join to buy something, you can join, you promote my, to buy something, you know, if you know, you know. Otherwise guys, my days are finished. Yes, my days are finished. Thank you so much now. Olólùfẹ́ Olo. Yeah. Yes.